What up? What up? What up? So today I'm going to teach you guys one quick way to make slime. So you have to flip the slime and really see the bubble. Well, I went to New yesterday. You don't have to do that because guess what? Watch this. Stop if you know what's in here. So watch this. You open the slime. I put my slime in the Easter egg. Pull a little bit. Then roll it up. Put it in your hand. Make sure it get right there. Take your finger. Pull a deep hole in the slime. Put it in your mouth and that won't do. I'm sorry. I'm gonna get a little closer so y'all can see. Oh. See? That's one way to bubble. Then
Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Another way.